Hi everyone. We're going to find the exact value of an expression using sum and difference identities. This is basically part 3, very similar to part 2. And so what we have here is we have sine of alpha minus beta. And this is my alpha, and this is my beta. So the first thing we need to know is we're looking for sine, and we know that we're dealing with inverse here. So since this is negative, we know that alpha belongs to quadrant 4 because of the inverse property, and tan is positive, so this is your beta. So beta belongs to quadrant 1. And then all you have to do is find your formula. So I'm going to write the formula out. We have sine of alpha, cosine of beta, minus cosine of alpha, sine of beta. So what we need is we need cosine and sine from these. And what I'm going to do it on the next slide, but both of these are coming from the triples 3, 4, 5. And that's a Pythagorean triple or triplets, meaning 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, or 9 plus 16 equals 25. It makes your life easier on these if you know your triples. Okay, so we have our alpha, and then so our alpha is just going to be right here. I'm taking this first part on the alpha. Sine of alpha equals -4/5. Therefore, since our alpha is in quadrant 4, our cosine of alpha is going to be 3/5. Remember, this is your y over r, and this is your x over r. Now, for tangent, we're going to have tan of beta. We're in quadrant 1. Remember, tan of beta equals 3/4. Remember, tan is y over x. That means your r is 5. So our tan, okay, so let me erase this. So basically we need our sine of beta, and we need our cosine of beta. So sine of beta is going to be my y, which is 3 over 5, and cosine is going to be 4 over 5. So this is going to be your y over r and your x over r. So just keep that straight, and then we're just going to use the formula. Maybe I can squeeze it in here. I know my sine of alpha is -4/5. Cosine of beta is 4/5 minus 3/5 times sine of beta, which is 3/5. I'll go ahead and write it on the other side. So basically, write this down, and you can kind of see it. It's going to be -16 over 25 minus 9 over 25, and that's going to give you -25 over 25, which equals 1. And that's all. I'm going to do a couple more very similar to this so you get the hang of it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.